In order to be able to use Git, you need to have it installed on your computer. You could verify whether it is installed or not by going to the terminal. On Mac I'll use iterm2, on Windows you could use PowerShell and type here git -- version. And if Git is installed, you should get its version here, like I just did. If you see that the command is not recognized or something similar, then you need to install Git. Please go to git-scm.com and here click Download. On Windows, of course, you'll see here a link Download for Windows, and afterwards follow all instructions in order to install Git on your computer. After installation of the Git, please verify its version in the terminal and ensure that Git command is available here, but before verification, please close terminal application and open it up again. So, I have Git installed, and if you have it installed as well, we are ready to go.